If you're looking to upgrade your home with some incredible technology, then you'll be glad to know that the market is full of cool things to buy. Our phones aren't the only smart devices anymore. You can find the smart version of almost any device now, whether it's a light bulb or a security system. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, you can do that in style now, thanks to some cool gadgets that assist in cooking, as well as keeping track of your diet. But you don't have to stay limited to the kitchen only. Here's a list of 12 smart home gadgets that you'll love. Number 12. KASA Smart Light Switch. When we went from using desktop PCs to using laptops, it meant we went from having to sit upright at the desk to comfortably reclining in our bed while getting the same kind of work done. With smartphones, this became even easier. But despite all this advancement, we still seem to have to get up to control our switches, which feels odd in an age where we can communicate with friends thousands of miles away in seconds. But we have no access to our own light switch? If you were facing that conundrum, here's your answer. The KASA Smart Light Switch will do exactly that. It will hook up to your network wirelessly and be accessible from the palm of your hand through the KASA app, and even through your own voice through Google Home or Amazon's Alexa. So now, you can truly live in the future and tell your light to turn off, and it turns off. Number 11. HOSOME Smart Air Purifier. With its 4-stage air purification system, this product is able to filter pet hair, dander, smoke, odor, pollen, perfect for pet owners, babies, children, the elderly, or anyone who wants to improve indoor air quality. Moreover, you can control the can speeds from various settings or have it run on quiet mode, and it will manage to purify rooms of up to 700 square feet. It also has an air purity sensor which will indicate the air quality with 4 different colors corresponding to different levels of air quality. And all this comes in a modern smart package, which means it will link up to your phone and be controllable through an app or even through voice with Alexa or Google Home. Number 10. WYZE Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat. Thermostats have been around for some time, but this thermostat takes it to the next level. With its smart features, you'll truly feel like you're living in the future. With Wi-Fi connectivity, it'll give you convenient control right from your smartphone with all the information you need, and then even provide insights on how you can be more efficient in your usage. How cool is that? Moreover, you may not even need to pick up your smartphone. You could simply say what you want to your thermostat to do, and it'll do it, with Google Home or Alexa connectivity. And on top of all that, it has features to schedule your settings for up to 7 days, so you can figure out your preferences and then just forget about it and your smart thermostat will take care of it for you. Number 9. AeroGarden Black Harvest Indoor Hydroponic Garden. Indoor gardening is generally not advisable because plants can be very messy, but with this smart product, that's going to change. This indoor hydroponic garden will grow up to 6 plants till a height of up to 12 inches, all without needing any soil, only requiring water, so you can be at peace about no dirt inside your house. Moreover, it's a digital product with a smart control panel that will remind you when to add water and add the included plant food, and will automatically light up or turn off the LED grow lights too. All that makes it a super convenient product to use and maintain. The package comes with Genovese basil, curly parsley, dill, thyme, Thai basil, and mints, and a 3-ounce bottle of patented all-natural plant nutrients that are enough for a full season of growth. Number 8. SENGLED Color-Changing Smart Bulb. If you want a cool ambience to your room and also want it to change depending on your mood, this is just the product for you. With its color-changing abilities and its smart features, you can just sit back and control your lights wirelessly, even with your voice. You can even set up wake up and sleep modes with this, so your build will adjust its brightness according to the time of the day, smoothly dimming or lighting up as per your preferences and sleep schedule. How cool is that? Number 7. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. House chores can be quite a headache, especially cleaning. If you ever wondered why in the 21st century we haven't automated these tedious tasks yet, then this product will surely delight you. This robot vacuum cleaner is a complete package. It will not only do your vacuuming, but also empty itself with its clean base automatic dirt disposal, so you can relax for months and the vacuum cleaner will take care of everything. And it will do a stellar job at cleaning too with its premium 3-stage cleaning system, so no matter how stubborn the dust and dirt is, it'll not escape this machine. And it's got both the power and the brains, since it smartly maps the layout of your house and builds its own personal maps, expertly navigating and cleaning in neat, efficient rows. On top of all that, it's also controllable both by the apps as well as voice commands to your voice assistant. So you can just say, "Roomba, clean under the kitchen table." And if you're wondering how it can tell where the kitchen table is, Then with its smart mapping, it can identify different areas and tell your living room apart from your kitchen. And so you can tell it to avoid no-go areas such as pet spaces or children's play spaces. How cool is that? Number 6. The kitchen safe. With all the yummy food available at an arm's reach these days, controlling our cravings can be a real challenge. But if you're health conscious and want a sure-shot way to handle your cravings, this is the gadget just for you. The kitchen safe is an airtight box for all your snacks, but with a twist. It has a special lock with a timer that you can set by adjusting the slider on top. When a timer is set, the box will lock until the timer has come down to 0. You can set time in the minutes, hours, or even days. Now all your cravings are under airtight control. Pun intended. Number 5. R180 High-Speed Smart Toaster. If you are wondering what the toaster of the future would look like, then it's right here with this smart toaster. This toaster comes with an advanced proprietary InstaGlow heating system, so your heating is always precise. It heats up very quickly, so your bread never gets dry, and you end up with bread that is crispy on the outside, yet soft on the inside. And all of this is done within a fraction of the time an old school toaster would take. For control, it has a large touchscreen with rich graphics, where you can choose from many different modes to toast just the kind of thing you want, whether bagels, English muffins, toast, waffles, or pastries. It has 63 precise settings, all available within 3 easy taps, giving wide-ranging flexibility, yet being super easy to use. And the touchscreen displays a clock when you're not toasting, so it can also double as your kitchen clock too. Number 4. PancakeBot. Pancakes are delicious, but did you know they can also be an art form? Well, with this advanced gadget, they sure can be. The PancakeBot is like a 3D printer, but for pancakes. You can design your pancakes on your computer yourself, using any image, whether scanned from paper or downloaded from the internet. All you have to do is import the image into PancakeBot software, and draw over the outlines, and PancakeBot will repeat your design step by step. It first draws the lines you drew first, so they'll end up darker, giving solid outlines. Afterwards, it will do the fill, all with excellent precision due to its specially designed vacuum and pressure system to control batter flow. So whether you want to make delicious and creative pancakes for your friends or family, or you want to leave a lasting impression on your customers at your cafe or restaurant, this technology is sure to make that a reality for you. Number 3. WYZE. Security systems can drain your wallet pretty easily, but if you're looking for a security system on a budget, then look no further. The WYZE is the ultimate solution. It's a high-definition security camera that records around the clock at 1080p. It has Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can check its feed anytime you like. The robust app makes it pretty easy to use. The WYZE even has IR sensors to record clearly at night. But it does more than just record. This small device also has human detection, so it'll notify you when it detects any person in its feed. You can even use the motion detection feature to have it turn on the lights for you when you need to enter the house. And if you're worried about accidentally leaving the house unlocked, then its contact sensors will notify you before you get far. With all these features, it's a great security investment. Number 2. Echo Dot. If you're in the market for a small portable speaker, then this is the gadget for you. But it's also so much more than just that too. As a speaker, it connects with Bluetooth to your device and will deliver great sound quality, especially for its size. But coming from Amazon itself, it's also got Amazon's signature AI technology called Alexa, which means you can literally talk to it. Ask it to play your favorite song, turn up the volume, or just ask for this weather. The gadget is also an essential home automation equipment, since it can serve as a command center to control all your appliances, like turning on your lights or speeding up your fan, or perhaps locking or unlocking your door. Whatever you may use it for, it is sure going to leave you with the sense that you've entered the future, as we all used to see in science fiction movies. Number 1. Brilliant Smart Home Control. If you feel your old school mechanical switchboards are too outdated for the 21st century, then this product will propel you into the future. This replaces a traditional switchboard with a high-tech touchscreen solution with built-in Alexa. Now that's a truly complete package. This switch will take care of everything for you. It will convert all your traditional lights into smart lights, and it will also work with smart bulbs. It will also work with locks, cameras, intercom, and many more items. And if that weren't enough, it even has a built-in camera with a privacy shutter and motion detection, so you can signal commands at this switch and it will take action. Now that's truly futuristic. So now you can just sit back and relax and let all your house control happen through a single central smart control point. Alright, comment below which of these gadgets you're getting your hands on first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.